We have a model who made deliberate attempts to improve her career with each of her ramp work. She is none other than Jyothpriya Sood. Her passion towards modeling remains unparalleled. Let's meet her in a segment round of a counter.
Hi, my name is Jyothpriya Sood and I hail from Delhi. Almost 1.5 years since I'm into this industry of fashion, and I really enjoy doing what I'm doing right now. Fashion for me, I believe it's a very simple thing if you understand. It's whatever you wear, you should be comfortable wearing it, and it should not be that you copy someone or whatever is in the trend, you have to wear it. You should be comfortable in what you wear. It could be a normal pair of jeans, a regular top and a nice blazer, like what I feel I am comfortable in. So it really depends on your body type. Whatever you wear, you should be comfortable wearing it and you should be able to carry it off. It should enhance your confidence. It should double your confidence rather than rather than making you conscious. So I believe it's a simple thing. Fashion to me is being comfortable in what you wear. The most beautiful thing about this industry is that you get to know yourself more and you get to love yourself more, because this industry is all about looking good, taking care of your health. You need to be fit all the time. You need to look pretty. So I feel that I used to be a tomboy at one point of time in my life, and I never used to care what I'm wearing, how am I looking, and how am I carrying myself. But since I got into it, I've become more cautious about my looks. I've become more aware about the fashion, the kind of things I should wear, and what is in, what is out of trend. So I believe that it's a way to love yourself even more, and I have found myself getting into this industry, and I guess it's the best thing that had happened to me. There's a lot of competition in every field if you see. It's not just in modeling industries, everywhere. And for me, the most toughest part was to deal with the competition in this industry, because being a dentist, I was almost engrossed into books, and I was a geek, and I never used to take care of my clothes, I never used to take care of my look. So as I told you earlier, that it awares you about the fashion, about the way that you should look. So the toughest thing that I faced as a model when I got into it was to actually update myself in terms of fashion and in trends. Well, there are a lot of things that I've heard people saying about this industry, that there's a lot of compromise that you have to do. Well, I say that there's always two sides of the coin. It's good or bad, the brighter side and the darker side. It depends on you which side you like to choose and which side you want to actually see. So for me, it's been almost 1.5 years, and I'm glad I've never experienced any thing like that, and people have been really nice to me. The way they treat girls, it's fabulous, and it's probably the path you choose. And I'm here, I really want to be a supermodel, but I'm not needy and I'm not greedy for it. So I believe that if you're humble and if you maintain your values, nothing can go wrong.